away from our third Devoted conference. So ladies, if you haven't got your tickets yet, why not? You need to pick them up today. They're going to cost you £20, and that includes a whole day of teaching and your lunch and refreshments as well. Buy one for a friend or a family member as well. Why not? You can get them today before or after the service, and you can get them via our website or on exchange as well.
I can't explain your heart.
They're overjoyed, and we can see it on their face, you can see it on their eyes.
Some of them are receiving the gifts for the very first time.
They feel so happy because they see things they have never seen.
Through this shoebox, we want to tell a child that God loves you and He has created you.
Jesus loves you.
We've been able to touch the lives of children all over the world, to give them a gift and do it in Jesus' name.
Through a very small thing, God is touching the world.
For the rest of their lives, they remember that box.
So many children in the world have no hope, and a simple box gives them that hope.
From the shoebox to the greatest journey, this is the Great Commission.
Our Friday programmes for children and young people are starting back this week. We have a stay and play group called Noah's Ark, which runs from 10 till 11:30am for preschool children. Then at 6:30pm we have G-Force, which is our club for 5 to 11-year-olds, where we'll be starting a brand new set of TV themed games. And for all high school students, there is 180, which runs from 8:15 till 10pm, with tuck shop, games, worship and loads more. If you want more details about any of these programmes, then please see the welcome team. That's everything for XL News this week. Remember, you can check out our website, xlchurch.org.uk, or you can speak to our welcome team if you want more details about anything that's going on here. Have a great week.